In commercial kitchens, every decision matters. When service is in full swing, your team needs to move with precision. Because when the design's wrong, you feel it. Flow breaks down and time is lost. Whether you're running a large operation or a smaller franchise, finding equipment that fits your space and your pace can be overwhelming. We understand you don't want to spend days driving between suppliers or guessing from a catalogue. You want one place where you can get expert advice and see how things work before you buy. That's where we come in. At Total Commercial Equipment, we help kitchens across South Australia find their flow, from design and layout through to supply, installation and support. For over 20 years, we've been helping the hospitality industry build kitchens that perform under pressure. Our sales team are experienced chefs, so we don't just sell equipment, we offer advice that works in real kitchens.
The project at Monado Safari Resort has been huge, a world-class venue built and delivered for exceptional dining experiences. From the very beginning, the team at TCE worked closely with us and the architects to make sure every detail was right. Since launching, everything has run perfectly. The chefs are stoked and we know we're in good hands because of how supported we've been from day one.
From your first conversation, we take the time to understand how you work. Then we design around your needs, helping you choose the right equipment and layout to keep your team performing at their best. Our showroom lets you get hands-on, compare options and ask questions before making any decisions.
When I was looking for the kitchen equipment, I would rather to see the real equipment rather than on the book list. I need to try, feel it before I buy it. Rather than other supplier can only supply one or two equipment, TCE can provide the full range of equipment, including my dark oven, my big steamer, my cooking wok, and also they can provide better after-sales support.
We build our reputation on reliability, not just in the equipment we supply, but in the support we provide long after installation. Our factory-trained technicians service kitchens across South Australia with genuine parts and fast response times that keep you cooking when it matters most. If you ever need something specific, we can source it quickly through our trusted network. Even if you've bought your equipment elsewhere or online, we can still service it and keep it performing at its best. For 2 decades, Total Commercial Equipment has been helping South Australian businesses bring their kitchens to life with trust, reliability and local expertise. Whether you're designing your first kitchen or upgrading your 10th, we're here to help you get it right from the start. Visit our showroom and get in touch with our team today. Total Commercial Equipment, your complete commercial kitchen partner for South Australia.